Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to make a circle change color every time you click the mouse. First, let's start with the setup function to set the canvas size. Next, let's create the draw function. I'll clear the screen with background 255 and draw a circle in the middle by writing ellipse. Now, here's the fun part. I'll use the mouse pressed function. Inside it, I'll write fill random 255 so the circle changes a random color whenever I click. Let's run this and see. Every time I click the mouse, the circle changes color instantly. That's it guys, a super quick and interactive way to make your sketches playful. Keep experimenting and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.